Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to determine whether an optical module is Huawei certified. First, pay attention to the following points. 1. Huawei certified optical modules are verified in many aspects to ensure that the optical module structure is compatible with the device structure and that optical modules function properly. When Huawei switches use non-Huawei certified optical modules, it's unclear whether these optical modules will function properly or whether these optical modules will affect services. 2. You can check internal hardware information about optical modules to determine whether these optical modules are Huawei certified. 3. If you have purchased optical modules from Huawei channel partners before Huawei certified optical modules are provided, you can still use these optical modules because their quality and functions are guaranteed. Now let's learn how to determine whether an optical module is Huawei certified. 1. Check whether the optical module is labeled Huawei. A Huawei certified optical module will be labeled Huawei, while an optical module that is not labeled Huawei is not Huawei certified. Run the display transceiver command to check optical module information. If the vendor name field of the optical module does not display Huawei, an optical module is not Huawei certified. 3. Check whether an alarm indicating a non-Huawei certified optical module is generated. You can run the terminal monitor command in the user view to enable the terminal display function, and then run the undo transceiver phony alarm disable command in the system view to enable the alarm function for non-Huawei certified optical modules. If an optical module is non-Huawei certified, alarms are generated at specific intervals. An alarm is generated once at 10 minutes, once at 1 hour, once at 5 hours, and then once at 24 hours. Pay attention to the following points. 1. The alarm function for non-Huawei certified optical modules is supported only in V200, R001, C00, and later. 2. Some customers have purchased Huawei switches for a long time. If these switches are upgraded to V200, R001, C00, or later, many alarms may be generated. To prevent this problem, the system does not determine whether an optical module is Huawei certified if it is installed on an old board. Any board with a date earlier than July 1st, 2013 is considered an old board. 3. If you have purchased many optical modules from Huawei channel partners before Huawei certified optical modules are provided, these optical modules are not Huawei certified, but their quality and functions can be guaranteed. When these optical modules are installed on Huawei switches, alarms will also be generated. In this situation, run the transceiver phony alarm disable command in the system view to disable the alarm function. 4. Forged optical modules contain information that is batch copied. The serial numbers of these optical modules are often the same. You can run the display transceiver command to check optical module information and check whether optical modules use the same serial number in the menu serial number field. If so, these optical modules are forged and not Huawei certified. 5. If you still cannot determine whether an optical module is Huawei certified, contact Huawei technical support engineers. Before confirmation, you will need the following information: the organization that is using the optical module, the serial number, photos of the optical module from multiple angles such as front, rear, and side, as well as information from the package if you still have it. To obtain more information about common configurations and typical features of Huawei switches, see the All About Switches threads. How can we find these threads? We can enter, quote, all about switches, unquote, site:/Huawei.com in the search field of Google, and click any of the displayed links to enter Huawei Enterprise Support Community. For details about more features, visit the home page. The All About Switches threads describe typical configurations and users' questions about Huawei switches. Okay, that's all about today's sharing. Thank you.